Welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. NMDC delivered its fourth quarter numbers yesterday, and owing to the rapid surge in iron ore prices, the company has actually managed to double its top line, and its profit after tax too has gone up 9x compared to the corresponding quarter at a little over 2,800 crore rupees. Mr. Sumit Deb, the Chairman-Cum-Managing Director of NMDC, joins us now on the show to talk about these numbers. Sir, thanks so much for joining us today on the show. So yeah, it is the substantial price hikes taken by NMDC, or close to 50% in just the last 6-7 months, that have led to this surge. But now, globally, iron ore prices are cooling off. China as well has taken a series of steps. Do you see any indication of, NMDC's lumps and fine iron ore prices plateauing, if not declining from here on?
So what happens is internationally we have seen some sort of a dip in the prices ex-China. But if you look at the domestic market, the demand still continues, and obviously there is some sort of plateauing up at currently. But we do not think that's going to be there, and we believe that prices there is a scope for prices to go up.
So interesting. So despite the fact that prices are at above 6,500 and 7,600, you will still consider taking more price hikes from here as well?
Yes, absolutely. We would be open to some price hikes depending on the market conditions.
Right. So mining in Dolomalai has started in Feb. How will that contribute to the volumes in the coming quarters? How is it scaling up? Can the contribution increase significantly?
So, in the previous financial year, we just did 500,000 ton from Donimalai. In the current financial year, we would see addition of almost 6.5 million tons from Donimalai. And going forward, we are also looking at increasing our EC there in Donimalai. So from 7 we'll go to 10. So there's going to be an addition of 3 million tons. Hopefully we should be getting this clearances by the end of this month. So that will also add to the volumes.
What is the royalty incident post the revision of MMDR Act? Are we done with the royalty increase for now, or the revision will come in vain?
So there is no increase in the royalties at the moment. It is only 15%, but there is a sort of premium which you need to pay. So that is 22.5%, which has already been there in the act, and that is additional.
Okay, understood. Sumit, I just wanted to clarify that you made a provision for a bad debt. I can see it in your cash flows. So is this just a one-off, or are you seeing some issues in your receivables?
No, that's a one-off thing. It's one-off thing.
Okay. Now, the steel industry often complains of there being, less iron ore available in the market, and the demand, of course, for steel is increasing. Steel production as well is increasing. So, how are you planning to address this? How are you planning to increase volumes? If you could share some targets as well for this fiscal.
So what is happening is NMDC has always been on target in terms of increasing production. We have, except for Donimalai, which was not available from November 18 onwards, except for that part, Baladila sector has been continuously increasing production. And this current financial year, we are targeting for around 44 million tons of production.
What is the update on steel plant demerger? When can we expect a board approval on that?
So the steel plant demerger is expected at the end of this financial year, this year. So somewhere in October, November, we should be able to complete the process of demerger. And the commissioning also is expected in the same lines.